Alongkorn Waterfall is a small waterfall that flows from one of the largest and most lush forests in the lower northeastern region. It absorbs and retains moisture throughout the rainy season. And it can be found in Tatung Subdistrict's Kana village in the Sangkat district of Surin Province. This new tourist attraction of Surin Province is gaining popularity as people flock to see the fall's many beautiful cascades. Geographically speaking, the general area has retained its original mixed forest features, with big and small trees offering ample shade. Alongkorn Waterfall is one of the sources of the main river that has flown through the region since antiquity. Tourism here reaches its peak during the rainy season because of the higher water flow, which makes the area a great place to play and relax.